The 2015 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power lift gate, heated seats, tow hitch, remote engine start, four-wheel ABS, cruise control, climate control, heated steering wheel, bucket seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.